Did you know that many of the aches, stiffness, and posture problems people experience after 40 can actually be prevented with just a few minutes of movement each day? Hey, it's never too late to take control of your body. And today I'm sharing 5 transformative exercises that changed how I feel, move, and live. These are movements I wish I started sooner. Don't wait for pain to force you. Let's get ahead of it now. But fair warning, our first move looks easy until you actually try it. Let's start with a deceptively simple exercise, the Superman. If you spend hours sitting, whether it's at work or on your phone, this should be your daily ritual. Despite its playful name, the Superman is serious business. It targets your entire posterior chain, your glutes, lower back and shoulder stabilizers, critical muscles for posture and back health. Here's how to do it. Lie face down, stretch your arms out in front and legs behind. Now tighten your glutes and slowly lift your chest, arms and legs off the ground, just like you're flying. Don't aim for height, aim for control. Your body should feel like one solid unit. This improves motor control, spinal stability, and makes everyday movements like getting out of bed or lifting groceries safer and easier. Now that your back and posture are activated, it's time to tackle a common hotspot for pain, your hips. Ever feel stiff when squatting? Trouble twisting? Can't reach the back seat of your car without a grunt? The squat with rotation can change all of that. This dynamic move opens tight hips, activates your inner thighs, and releases your thoracic spine, which often gets locked from years of poor posture. Try this. Stand with your feet just wider than shoulder width. Drop into a squat, touch the ground with one hand and rotate the other arm up toward the ceiling. You'll feel a deep twist in your torso and a beautiful stretch across your back. It's perfect for warm-ups, injury prevention, and unlocking mobility, especially for aging joints. Feeling looser? Good. Now let's build a strong, stable foundation. The Sumo Squat is one of the most powerful yet joint-friendly lower body exercises you can do. It strengthens the glutes, inner thighs, and improves hip alignment, key for long-term mobility. How to do it right. Step your feet wide apart, turn your toes outward, and squat down while keeping your chest lifted and core engaged. Go only as deep as you can while keeping your knees aligned with your toes. This activates deep hip muscles like the gluteus medius, essential for knee health and stability. It's low impact, joint friendly, and fantastic for building functional strength, especially over 40. Ready to test your balance and coordination? This next one may surprise you. The single leg Romanian deadlift looks easy, but it's a game changer for improving balance, hip stability, and core control. Stand tall, shift your weight onto one leg, and hinge forward from your hips while reaching your arms forward. Try not to let the back foot touch the ground, then slowly return to standing. Most people over 40 wobble like crazy on this move, and that's okay. It's a sign that your neuromuscular pathways and hip stabilizers need work. Mastering this one rewires your balance, strengthens your hamstrings and glutes, and gives you better control in everything from walking to lifting. Now let's release one of the most underestimated causes of back and leg pain, the piriformis muscle. This small muscle, when tight, can compress the sciatic nerve, causing pain from your lower back down your leg. To release it, lie on your back, cross one leg over the opposite knee, and gently pull your lower leg toward your chest. You'll feel a deep stretch in your glutes and hips. Hold for at least 30 seconds. It's simple, effective, and can be done anywhere, even in bed. This is a must-do if you sit a lot or feel tightness when walking or standing up. And finally, we bring everything together with the dead bug, an odd name, but trust me, this is core gold. It targets the deep core muscles, especially the transverse abdominis, which acts like a natural back brace. Here's how. Lie on your back, arms reaching up, knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly extend one leg and the opposite arm without letting your lower back leave the ground. Alternate sides with control. This move improves coordination, stability, and protects your spine during daily activities and workouts alike. Now combine all these into a smart 20-minute routine you can do at home with no equipment, no impact, and maximum benefit Superman posture and back. Squat with rotation, mobility and spine. Sumo Squat, strength and stability. Single leg deadlift, balance and coordination. Piriformis Stretch, relief and flexibility. Dead bug, deep core activation. This sequence helped me reclaim energy, improve posture and move pain-free. You'll start feeling the difference in less than 3 weeks. So, don't wait for pain to catch up. Start today. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more routines that keep you strong, mobile, and pain-free at any age. And remember, your body is your greatest investment. You just need the right moves to keep it running strong.